Hey, what's going on? It's your boy Thorough Alexander, aka the Grand Architect. And today, Booskie and I are at Minooka Park. So we're gonna do the Rocktown Trail, and there's supposed to be this iconic rock formation. If you can see the sign behind us, it's supposed to look like that. So hopefully, it'll be pretty cool. And believe it or not, this is in Kansas, folks. So keep in mind while you're doing this hike, there's a lot of rolling hills out here, so you're gonna be going up, down, as you can see from my background. Just give you a pan out of this area real quick. So that's pretty much what you're dealing with, folks. So this is how you know you're on the right track. You start seeing water. So there's a rock island out here. I mean, if you have a kayak or a boat, you could probably get to it. That's pretty cool. Just give you a shot of the bay here. And right over here, is actually what we came to see, so pretty close. So another thing you have to watch out for as you're hiking are turtles. There are actually turtles on the trail. You guys moving pretty quick, huh? So as we were walking, as you can see, there was a turtle. Now these turtles are so small that, I mean, I literally stepped over this turtle. Booskie had to actually point that out to me, because if she didn't, I literally would have never seen it. So as you're doing this hike, you definitely want to watch your feet as you're walking. So we have made it to the spot. Some rock ledges here. And as you can see, this is just a rock area here. It's actually Kansas, if you can believe that. So when you're up close, man, I'll tell you, this thing's a lot cooler. You can just see the sandstone, man. This thing's incredible. See right here, it's a fault line right here. And that's the other one that we saw earlier. And this piece of sandstone, it's just out in the water, man. I mean, it just doesn't get any better than this. So on the backside, it's like a little rock cave. I wouldn't call it too much of a cave, but you can see it. I mean, it's pretty cool. And just to show you guys the bay. It's your boy Thorough Alexander signing out from Lake Wilson.